Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Ubisoft service is currently unavailable. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the search menu from the bottom of your screen and search for Windows Update. Now, open this tab and the Settings app will be launched. Simply make sure that there is no update pending. If there is, update your Windows and check if the problem is solved. Another thing you can try doing is checking if the date and time is correct. For that, search for date and time in the search menu at the bottom and make sure that this Set Time Zone automatically feature is turned on. After that, sync the time and close settings. If the problem still persists, you can try resetting your network settings. In order to do that, go to the search bar and type in Network Reset. After that, open this Settings tab and click on this Reset button to confirm the action. So that's basically how you can fix Ubisoft service is currently unavailable. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.